Hello tubes, this is the final look at this Toro Super Recycler GTS5 6 horsepower overhead valve. Right now it's got the mulching plug in it. I do have the bag for it. Things I did to it is, first thing I had to do is I had to put a new pull cord in it and a handle. I fixed some of this here. These weren't holding the handles right, so I had to adjust them and then zip tie it in place. Some of the wheels were loose. This is a 24-year-old Toro Super Recycler, made in 1995 or 96. It's rear-wheel drive. I did service the air filter, didn't replace it. I probably should. I did take the carburetor out, clean it, and I had to put a new seat in it. The carburetor, from what I could tell, you can't get anymore, and a lot of the rebuild parts you can't get anymore because it's old. You might be able to get some parts for it, but the seat, fortunately, is the same as that goes in the Quantum style engines. And I had one of those. So I'm going to give you a start here. I got my third hand in place. This is a choke carburetor. It starts on choke, and I have adjusted the idle and stuff so it can run on slow idle or fast idle. So I'm going to stick it on choke. It's got 3 speeds, self-propelled rear-wheel drive. Let's go to rabbit. I still gotta change the oil in it, but it's full. Either self-propelled. It moves pretty fast. That's first gear. So it's raining here now, so I got to giddy on in. So next time, Sis, see you later. Toro Super Recycler, 24 years old. They don't make them like they used to.